Hey fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ guys. Let's make some slime. So today's video is really special as I'm going to show you guys how to make clear slime that is without clear glue or without Borax activator. Literally you guys can make it in 5 minutes and it's super easy. So before that, make sure to hit that like button because that helps me a lot, and if you haven't subscribed already then make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now let's get started with the video. Here's our bowl. Now let's take our first ingredient that is super important. Peel off face mask, any brand will work. Just make sure that it has polyvinyl alcohol in it. So that is the ingredient that is going to help us make our slime, and it is one of my favorite no glue no borax recipes. So let's get started. Oh my god, what is this?
A few moments later.
So blooper, but this exploded on me. Anyways, let's take it out in a bowl. Oh my god, this is literally a mess, but
one eternity later.
So the situation is under control and this literally broke on me, like what is this? But anyways, let's pour our face mask into our bowl. Look at this sheen, you guys. You literally don't have to add any pigment or any glitter to it. It literally have gold flakes in it. So this literally makes the slime super cute and literally magical. And since it's a face mask, it also smells so good. You guys can gift this slime to your friends if they have their birthdays or something. This is literally a great gift. So let's start making our slime now. So to make the activator, you need a glass or a small container. Then you need a little bit of water in it. So let's fill some water up. So in this water, we need to add a little bit of baking soda, about this much. And now mix the water. And mix until it's super clear. Now the next step is adding this solution into our face mask. So now let's add that. And now we combine this with the face mask. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. We don't want the water to be separating from the face mask. We won't be able to make a successful slime if the water is separated. And now that it is a very good homogeneous mixture, now we are going to add our slime activator. That is going to be super simple. So the activator of our choice is eye drops. You guys can literally take any eye drops of your choice, literally eye drops, or you can take contact lens solution. Anything will work. Literally it just need to have boric acid in its ingredients. So yeah, now let's add and you guys see the magic. It's literally getting thicker. As you guys can see, it is pulling from the sides. As you guys can see, it is literally slime now. We just have to mix a little bit more.
A few minutes later.
As you guys can see, it's becoming a slime now. And I'll just fast forward this clip so you guys don't have to wait so much.
2,000 years later.
So as you guys can see, this is how it's looking currently. And let me switch on the flash and let you guys see the sparkles. Like, can you guys see how glittery this slime is? Oh my god. Like seriously you guys. Wow. And this has a lot of bubbles right now, but soon it will clear up and I'll show you guys the results and how good and clear the slime gets. Like, it's still amazing. Just hear the pokes, you guys. It's literally amazing. Now let's put it in a clear container and let's see how it looks when it gets cleared up. So fantastic, as you guys can see, this is how our slime is looking. Like, can you guys even see that? Like, oh my god, it looks so stunning, you guys. Look at those glitters. Oh my god, you guys, can you see the pokes? Like, wow. Now let's take it out of the container and oh my god, can you guys see how thick and glossy the slime is? It's actually so squishy and it looks so nice, you guys. You guys can literally make this as a Diwali slime because guys, look at that. That looks so nice. And can you guys see how festive that looks? And oh my god, you guys can make this as a Diwali slime and you guys can gift these slimes to your friends or to the guest that might visit you on Diwali. So it is a really good gift if you want to show them your talent of making slime. This will literally impress so many people. But yeah, this is literally such a nice slime. Can you guys look at that swirl? Oh my god, this is so amazing. So if you guys have watched this video till the end, then thank you so much for watching. And please comment down below this emoji if you guys have watched this video till the end, and I'll give each and everyone a shout out in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll soon see you in another video. Until then, bye bye.